Have you just finished your GCSEs and are unsure about your next steps? Let Cornwall College guide you through the array of choices ahead. Here at the Career College, we're all about starting with your passion and career goals in mind. Our approach emphasizes hands-on practical training that you can seamlessly carry into your chosen workplace. This starts with two options: full-time education or an apprenticeship. For those who choose to continue in education, our campuses across Cornwall and South Devon open doors to over 80 subjects. Whether your heart beats for horticulture, photography, or the spotlight of performing arts, we have something for everyone. But what if you already have your dream career in mind? The Cornwall College Group is the top performing college for apprenticeships in the Southwest, so why not learn while you earn? Our team is with you on every step of your apprenticeship journey. We'll lend a hand with crafting your CV, provide interview tips to boost your confidence, and even engage with businesses on your behalf to explain the value of having an apprentice. So, whether you're eager to dive into the world of education or ready to jumpstart your career with an apprenticeship, Cornwall College has your back. Let's map out your future together.